Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you all what I have here. I have a wetsuit. Sorry, I'm holding my microphone because I'm going to have to get some clothes off in order to make this function. But this is what it looks like here. I'm going to try it on over my clothes and we will see how it goes first. And then if I can't, then I'll switch it up a little bit. So the way this one goes on, put my foot through this side here, here. And I will arm up. I'm not sure what size I got here. And here we go. So now I've got it on here. So let me zip this up. I'll show you guys what it is. So here it is zipped up on me. It is super duper tight. Not sure what size I got, but this is what it looks like here wearing it. Hopefully you can see down here. It's a shorts one, and it has a little pocket here so I can put my whatever I need in there, and nothing on the other side. But then it zips up and it's got the little waterproof thing, so this will keep me nice and warm and comfortable as I'm diving. So I'm into scuba diving, so this is going to be great for me. So this is perfect, and it's a good fit. And I'm ready to hit the water, although I'm not going today, but hopefully soon I'll be able to take this with me. So super awesome. Thumbs up.